Even though scores of endemics are found across the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, hundreds of migratory birds also visit annually. However, the islands offer more than just beach birding. There are tropical forests, acres of wetlands, and other ecosystems to explore. And for that, one needs the help of specialists. Meet the tribesmen.
Violet cuckoo calling and sunbird going around feeding it. Green imperial pigeon.
Which pigeon?
Andaman Treepie. Andaman green pigeon is the center dry tree, but it is facing the other way.
Okay. I can see two now. They are green pigeons, yeah?
Yeah, there's one. Yeah, one. The lowest one is facing us.
अरे चार है चार.
Yeah, okay.
There are four. ऊपर भी है ना.
Crested Bay Island forest lizard on the culvert. Just behind it, that's endemic. Okay. Andaman Bulbul.
Is it the same one from mainland?
No, that's the Andaman subspecies.
Yeah.
No, this is the oriental, but the Andaman subspecies of it.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's on card for a future split.
Okay, but not at the moment.
Not at the moment.
All right.
So it's more streaked below.
Yeah.
Coming. The problem is like if you light up the area.
Yeah.
It has a white throat.
Quite a short tail.
No, it's hidden because it's split from the large tail nightjar.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, everyone saw it? We'll leave the bird.
Yeah.